In this Auto Grow Crypto review, I'm going to be showing you a method that these guys have been using in order to compound their crypto earnings. They're making multiple three figures per day, hundreds of dollars, more and more over and over again using this method. I've never seen this before. We're going to be taking a look at what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Auto Grow Crypto, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says over 100,000% API annual crypto return that auto compounds multiple times an hour. No staking, no farming, no NFTs, no pools, brand new. Essentially, these guys are making $245 per day with a secret 100% passive hourly auto compounding crypto. So you can see here, like, look, he had $11,000 in his balance and he made $210 in his daily earnings, and he's got interest coming in over and over again. So you can see here the price here of it, the next reward amount, the next reward amount in US dollars, the 5-day rate here. Look at that, $1,000 here, and you can see that. Look at the difference between the last 5 days here from February 24th to March 1st. His balance went from 11,000 to almost 13,000, and his daily earnings went from $210 to $245 with that. That's crazy. Like, this is neat. I've never seen anything like this before. So he teaches exactly how to do that. How to get literally multiple times an hour. Your money is auto compounding, and you're making money from this. I've never seen anything like this before. I know these guys are always into the brand new stuff that's going on, whether it's in crypto or anything to do with internet marketing. These guys are always in it. And they're actually, here's the thing with James and Jeremy here. They're actually doing it. That's what I like about promoting their offers, is that they actually test these things out for us so that they can see how it works, and then they come back and they teach us. So it's pretty cool. So anyways, that's the front end offer here. I'm going to play you a quick video from James explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the back end area, and the OTOs.
James here, and on behalf of Jeremy Kennedy and myself, thank you so much for checking out Auto Grow Crypto. You know, we are in such a crazy time right now where we can be getting unreal percentages on our money. And what's so amazing about this particular product and this process that we've come up with is that you don't have to start with a lot of money. You can start off with a few dollars, but the exponential returns are there. Think about when you try and go get a lottery ticket. You spend $1. Now, do you really think you're going to get that 300 million? It may or may not happen, but there's kind of that dream. Well, the thing is, imagine if that dream was real. Imagine if you could buy something for $1 and you're getting return day after day after day, to where it compounds at over 100,000% for that year. So if you have one coin, by the end of the year, you're going to have 100,000 coins. This is very, very real. This is something that has just come out. Jeremy and I have been testing it. It's been working over and over. Multiple times an hour, we're getting compounding. And we talk about it in the sales page below about the notion of a penny. Would you rather have $1 million right now, or would you rather have a penny that doubles every day for 30 days? Well, the answer is you'd want that penny that doubles every single day for 30 days, because it turns out to be way more than $1 million. And that's the same premise that's going on right now, where you can start off with $1 and it compounds, and then it compounds again. And it's not just compounding like you think it's the same amount that's compounded over and over again. No, because the amount that you have is a little bit larger, and then that larger amount is compounded. Then the larger amount after that is compounded, and so on. To the point where we're making 3 figures a day now after a couple of weeks. That's what's really, really possible. And unfortunately, because of some of the events that just happened a couple of days ago in the world, where there's a lot of turmoil going on, that's unfortunate, of course. But from our premise of what we're doing, it did not affect us at all. We kept making money. So while other people are very concerned about the price of crypto going down or remaining the same, because we're having this auto compound, that really isn't a factor for us. So it's really like we're actively being passive. We're going out and we're getting in something that's making more and more and more and more. Where in traditional crypto, you're just hoping the price goes up. By default, this process, our crypto is becoming more because we have more of it. Once you do it once, it just keeps going. And it's really, really, really crazy. And now's the time because we're in there early. We're in there early before the mass adoption. So you get in, get out whenever you want. But it's going to be some exciting times. It's exciting right now. We know people with multiple 5 figures into this. Crazy money. But again, our whole point is get in the game for a little bit of money, find out exactly what we're doing, not just the particular platform we're using, but the process, why we're doing this, why this is so crazy, and why this is such a new form of decentralized finance that you're not seeing anywhere else. This is cutting edge stuff. The small price that we're charging for this today to get into this world and then to get your lottery ticket for $1 or a few dollars, a cup of coffee, and see what this new world can do. It's absolutely crazy. So you're going to love it. Auto grow your crypto on autopilot. This works. We've done the hard work by going out there and testing it, finding this out, making it easy for you, and now you get to be a part of it too. So we can't wait to see you on the inside.
Okay, so after you purchase, you'll have access to this document right here where they have all the different training. You can sign up for their webinar, you can get access to the private mastermind, and they have all kinds of video training inside of here. So don't be thinking this is just like a PDF. It's actually video training, walking you step by step through the entire process. Now, there are multiple upgrades here. So the first one here is going to be one that's going to give you even more sources to auto compound your crypto. So this is an optional upgrade. The next one here is going to give you access to the only ultimate Crypto True Mastermind group. So if you want to get access and be able to ask questions and really get more support from them, you can get this one. Next one here is crazy tactics that they are releasing, what the ultimate decentralized finance resources at your fingertips. That's the next one. Next one here is take your next take it to the next level with seed money. So want to learn how to get seed money to start with. So that's this one. The next one here is all of their past crypto products for a one-time price. And the last one here is a one-on-one strategy call. So if you really want to get some help with them and you want to get even more hand-holding and learn from guys that are actually doing this, then you can pick this one up as well. But all the upgrades are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Auto Grow Crypto and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, with anything that is to do with like crypto and investing and all that stuff, you can lose money. Like it's risky. This is all brand new stuff. So whatever you do with this, I'm not giving you financial advice. You like do your own research here, and remember, you can always lose money when it comes to these things. So just be careful. What do I like about this? This is something neat. This is something brand new. These guys are making money with this. They're testing it out for you. If you want to learn what's working right now and potentially get into doing cryptocurrency and NFTs and all that stuff, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Auto Grow Crypto, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.